astronauts travel in safely. Let's consult Professor Emily, the scientist, first. Did you know that gravity in space is called microgravity? Microgravity decreases your bone density, therefore making your bones weaker. It also affects the cardiovascular system by changing the heart rhythm. The effects of this don't just stop there. It doesn't only happen when they're in space. When astronauts come back to Earth, their blood pressure drops up when they stand up after lying down for a while. Also, their muscles and sense of balance becomes weaker. Thank you, Professor Emily. Let's go to Engineer Tori, who will tell us about the invention to solve this problem. This invention is called the gyro ring. The center stays still and on the outside is a wheel that spins twice per minute. The gyro ring has a round shape so it can turn. The outside is shaped like a ring and the inside is in the shape of a sphere. The radius of the outside is 250 meters. It will be made using aluminium and titanium, which are strong and lightweight. From our correspondence with Professor Dan Crawford from UCL, we decided to use oxygen and hydrogen as fuels. This is because they release a lot of energy, but only produce water vapor as an exhaust. Thank you, Tori. Now, Engineer Minami will explain how the gyro ring creates artificial gravity. Gravity is the force that pulls us towards the ground to Earth. By spinning the outside ring of the gyro ring, we create force which is called centrifugal force. The force pushes the astronauts to the edge of the ring. Since the edge is the force for the astronauts, this is just like how gravity pulls us towards the ground. Although the ring is spinning fast, it doesn't need much energy after it has already started spinning. This is because the conservation angular moment. Thank you for explaining it, Melanie. Here is a demonstration showing the benefits of artificial gravity.
I'm an astronaut on the International Space Station, which doesn't have artificial gravity. I am floating and I can't walk.
I am an astronaut on the gyro ring, which has artificial gravity. I am not floating. I can walk.